Hi everyone, Bob Francisco here again. In this exercise, I would like to show you how to plan a business using the what if analysis or using one input table. Okay, we're going to analyze the business on one table and see whether we're going to make money or not, right? Uh, this company is supposed to be service oriented type of companies. There will be serving customer and they will get fee from serving the customer and earn money from them. Okay. In this example, you have number of customers, then you have a fee of 500 pesos per customer. Multiply that, that would be your gross income. Okay. In running this business, you have to have cost. You have to pay for the shop rental. I put it as a fixed number, 20,000 rental. Then you have to pay for your utilities. I I made it as a variable number, variable cost, where I put the gross income as the multiplier, multiplied it by 10%, okay? Direct labor also is a variable. Miscellaneous is variable. Internet is a fixed cost. Fixed overhead, 5,000. This could be some depreciation cost for the equipment that you have in your shop. Okay, then training cost is also variable. Every time your customer number of customer increases, you will also have to add more manpower or maybe service-oriented personnel. Okay, therefore you have to train these people in terms of servicing the customer. Okay, then all of this will be totaled here. That would be the total cost. Okay, so the gross income here minus the total cost, that would the result would be your net income, and you have to find out how much would be your ROS. ROS means return on sale. Okay, so in this case, I only have customer number of customer of 10, so the result is negative. So this is a loss, okay, when you are only serving 10 customers. Let's say, let's find out if you are serving 50 customers. So still negative result, okay? Let's say you serve 100 customers, okay? So now the net income is a positive number, okay? This is how you analyze your small business by doing this exercise. Okay, so that means more customers served, more money you're gonna earn, and then the gross income will be bigger compared to the cost. Then you will have a result of positive net income. Okay, but changing the numbers here is quite, uh, difficult to do, to analyze rather. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a table where we can see the bigger picture of the analysis. We're going to analyze on the table itself. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to put a customer in this column. In this column, you're going to have numbers of customers. You're going to say serve. Then the next column would be for the gross income. And then the next one would be for your cost. Say total cost. To run the business, you need to have cost. Then, of course, you're earning now, net income. And then the last one, sorry, the last one would be the return on sales, ROS. Okay? In terms of percentages. Percent, which means net income over gross incomes. So that would be your percentage. Okay? See the formula? Net income over gross income. That is the ROS. Okay? So let's start with 10 customer first, then 20 customers. Okay? To make it faster, I'll just copy it down to 100 customers. Okay, make it bigger to 200. Okay, again, copy it down to all the way to 800. Actually, you can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it will be longer list. No, analysis would be table would be longer. So I just make it a bit shorter by just grouping it by tens and then by hundreds. Okay. Then the net income, all you have to do is just copy it from here. Where's the gross income? This one. Okay, that's it. Just equal sign, then get the cell reference. Okay, so you get the 50,000 net gross income, and then the total cost, same thing. You will just have to copy the total cost here, and then so is the net income. The net income, this one, and finally the ROS, which is the last one. This one. Okay. Okay, now we have these numbers of customers. We also have the data in terms of gross income, total cost, net income, and ROS. So all you have to do is just highlight everything here. Okay. Then go to the data, it's already open. Then go to what if analysis. Then go to the data table. The last uh, video that I have in terms of the what if analysis was based on two input cell data, rather table. So this time I'm gonna use just one input table, input cell, which is on the column, because we're going to analyze the numbers of customers. Okay, so we're gonna get it from here, number of customers, this one, right? Then just enter. Then you get all the numbers. Okay. So what the analysis table, no, show you? It show you that there are a number of customers here that will give you a negative result. Okay, negative net income, right? Okay. So starting from the number of customers, 80 customers, you're starting to have a result of positive result of net income, meaning you are now starting to earn money, okay, from 80 customers. So that's not actually lots of customers. You're talking about 1 month performance, 80 customers, right? Okay, so this is not like, you know, too many customers in 1 month. This is just few customers that you're going to save. So if you notice, the total cost also is increasing because I have put some variables here, right? Only the shop rental is fixed. What else is fixed here? All the others are variables, and the internet also is fixed. You pay monthly of 2,000, and also the fixed, of course, the fixed overhead is fixed. Training is also variable, so that's why the cost is also increasing. While the number of customer is increasing, the cost also increasing. Okay, the cost in relation to the gross income or the number of customers. Okay, so you started earning money starting with the numbers, the 80 customers. That is already a positive. Okay, the more number of customer that you're gonna serve, the more money that you're gonna earn. Okay, like for example, 800 customers served in 1 month, you're gonna earn 269,000. That's a positive 67% ROS. Okay, so I think more or less you already know the idea of a table analysis on your small business. Okay, getting the customer, analyzing the gross income, total cost, net income, the ROS of the business. Okay, using the functions what if analysis and inputting one input table. Okay, all right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this exercise. Until next time.